and this time it's international pop star Rihanna who's commented on the Delhi riots, on the violence that took place in the national capital. International pop star Rihanna has extended her support to farmers protesting on the outskirts of Delhi against the centre's agriculture laws. She's also condemned the internet shutdown in Haryana. Rihanna has tweeted, "Why aren't we talking about this farmer protest?" Information that's also coming in at this point of time is that Bollywood actor Kangana Ranaut has responded to Rihanna. In a tweet, Kangana Ranaut has said, and I quote, "No one is talking about it because they are not farmers. They are terrorists who are trying to divide India so that China can take over our vulnerable, broken nation and make it a Chinese colony, much like the USA. Sit down, you fool. We are not selling our nation like you dummies," unquote. So now Hollywood and Bollywood gets involved in the farmers' protest, in the agitation that's happening. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Milan Sharma for more on this. Milan, now you have foreign entities who are commenting on this, whether it may be political leaders in Europe or now pop star Rihanna.
Well, absolutely, Gaurav. Pop star and US singer sensation Rihanna has just tweeted about the internet shutdown that the farmers are facing as they sit in protest on borders. Remember, the internet connection has been suspended for as many as 14 districts in Haryana. You know that across Delhi borders as well as Singhu, Tikri as well as Ghazipur border, internet has been suspended. So that is what Rihanna was speaking about. But yet again, Bollywood actor Kangana Ranaut jumping on Rihanna's tweet and saying that they are not talking about it because these are not farmers and they are terrorists, and exchanging jibes between each other there. And we don't know whether Rihanna is going to actually comment back on what Kangana Ranaut has said, but clearly now international support as well moving forward for the farmer protests in India.
Stay with me for a moment. Let me get BJP spokesperson and leader Nalin Kohli, who's joining me on the broadcast. I also have Dharmendra Malik, farmer leader, joining me on the broadcast. But Nalin Kohli, is this now bringing disrepute to the government and the country that international pop stars, political leaders or members of parliament in UK, in other countries in Europe, they are commenting on the farm protests and the shutdown of internet or the farm laws, sir?
Multiple things, Gaurav. First of all is, I think Kangana Ranaut has already responded. So, I mean, this is between them. They are doing it and both have their points of view and they are entitled to have their points of view. I mean, it really does not call for the BJP to comment on it. Second is, many people who are commenting globally, perhaps if you ask them the names of India's states or how many states are in India, or even ask them the names of the capitals of, 4 or 5 states in India, they won't know. They are commenting on some input got from somebody without knowing the full facts, comparing it to the world that they live in, and therefore coming from those standards that internet, they can't probably live without internet. India is a country that has grown without internet up to several decades. Many people have lived with 2G. Then we had thereafter 3G. So, we are moving into that age. But, and we have to celebrate that part. But they look at it from the lifestyle that they've had for 20 years.
We're talking about digital India and 5G.
Yeah, but you're missing the point, Gaurav.
We're moving forward to a time where everyone has access to internet on their mobile phones.
Yes, but you missed my argument. I'm agreeing with you. We are on the same page. I'm saying we have moved from that to here. These are economies that have had internet much earlier. So I'm telling we have narrowed that gap, so they tend to look at it, it's impossible. So someone like Rihanna or someone, I don't know her age, probably grew up with, 3G equivalent internet much before many Indians did. That's what Leapfrog is about. Okay. I'm making a point on technology. So I'm saying they comment from their worldview. And therefore, their worldview need not apply to us. And their worldview, as they put it out there,
is this bringing disrepute? Is this bringing disrepute to our country? Is the question I have asked you. Fair
Why
enough,
and
sir.
how?
But if
No,
there
where
are
and
political
how?
leaders who are commenting on what's
No, where
happening
and
in
how?
our country, or foreign newspapers, if they're writing about it, my point is, okay,
No, I'll answer
my
that.
point,
Gaurav. I've
the
understood your
question
point.
I'm asking
Oh,
you is,
okay, why don't you ask?
are we showing barriers? Look at the barriers that we have between Delhi and Haryana, barricades like the line of control that's been created. And before I come to you with that question, take a look at this report.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.